Sorry, mate. Just take them water.
Oh, welcome to Dublin. I wonder if this will go viral now because of that. Yes. Halfpenny Bridge once again. Oh, oh. Let's see what the camera angle's like. There we go, should be back to normal. So yeah, as I said, your man's sitting there with a bottle of vodka this time in the morning, so he's probably there from last night. We're starting early, you know. So he's a go-getter. Although you wouldn't get alcohol at this time in the morning, so from last night then. Haha. Detective Grant walking doors for the win. This is Millennial Bridge. I would cross it now, but just kind of ruins the motif of the video of walking on one side to the other. So, sorry about the wind. I've got my wireless wind mic on, which I think the audio has improved now, but I don't know what it's like against the wind. Hopefully it cuts out my heavy breathing too. Well, it helps me get my steps in. There's that Millennial Bridge, there's Simon's Hotel. Big Bus Dublin tour. Now they would be awesome. I think I have to do one of them when I get back. Let me know in the descriptions what you want to see, like if there's specific tours you want me to do. Look, I have the Teeling one lined up. I want to do the Guinness and the Jameson one as well, and I'll see if I can get them all on the same day and just get locked. I swear it's for the you I'm doing that, not for me personally. I promise. I did want to do, I done a walk out to Dunleary, and when I was looking at it, there was boat tours you could do out to the islands and stuff like that, but it's only open during summer. And you know, the Dublin bus tour on top of a bus in this weather, cold. So I think when I come back, I'm just going to start doing more mini tours like that, you know, like sort of rooftop the bus. I'll do the whole thing in one go. I'll take notes, and then if anyone wants me to jump off at certain points, I'll take them. I'll probably do like a few boat tours or do a bit of kayaking, stuff like that. But with the kayak I can't use this camera, I need to get a GoPro just in case it falls into the water. So yeah, let me know if there's something specific you want me to do here in Ireland. You know, the bar scene isn't that good, so I could see about convincing a few of my friends to go into town one of the days for a few beers and then just record us having a crack. That's not crack cocaine, that's crack fun. Okay, big difference. And then yeah, go from there. But yeah, right, so we have a signpost here. There's a good few of these around now, so it's hard to get lost. And well, when I'm walking up and down one street, it's not that hard either. So, top my own shot. This is where we started. This is where we went down to. We crossed up and we're up here. So, almost done. We're at 20 minutes. That's 4 videos. So we should be starting the 5th and final video now. Cable Street is an up and coming place to visit, so I'd recommend doing that if you can. Don't have my wallet on me, man, sorry. So yeah, Cable Street's pretty cool. Like, it has this kind of, as you can see, dedicated area for seating and stuff because of COVID. But I'd say now once we start to open up, hold on, let you look back at the outside again.